Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve algorithm on Facebook app. To know how to fix or how to solve algorithm on Facebook app, you should just go to settings. After that, in this page, you will enter to apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page, you will enter to the window or to the app of Facebook, and you can click in this list. As you see, here in this page, you will go to force stop and you can click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.